Your name, please?
Michael Fogelsong.
Michael Fogelsong, you're charged in 21 CRB 563 with a charge of criminal trespass, a misdemeanor of the 4th degree. The possible sentence is up to 30 days and or a fine of $250. What is your plea?
Not guilty.
Plea of not guilty is being entered. Now it is the court's obligation to consider bond in this matter. Obviously, the factors here involved. I'm just going to briefly read the report here so that I have an idea of what this is about. April 7th, the Sheriff's Department responded to Perry Nuclear Power Plant. You were operating a 2010 black Toyota of Michigan plates, and you've been towing a enclosed trailer. You arrived on the property. They told you couldn't go any further. You were asked to leave. You became agitated and stated you had permission to be on the property. You stated his destination had been the white building, at which time he pointed to a sewage outpost building located on the power plant. You remained on the property. Sheriff's Department arrived, but according to at least I'm not blind to reading the news reports, and apparently this was a threat of a bomb, according to the news last night. According to the preliminary, other officers were called. I don't know if the federal government was called involving this, who was involved in this. But obviously it was a serious offense, and I just have a misdemeanor offense here. I am assuming that there probably will be more federal charges involved here. You do have prior felony charges. Some of those were dismissed. For what reason, I don't know.
I have prior felony charges.
There were some felony charges that were dismissed, and I'll tell you where those were. Superior Court, it looks like Georgia. Macon County, maybe?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. So there is a history. Larceny of firearm, larceny after breaking and entering. Those were in 2011. So there is some type of history here. Why you're only charged with a misdemeanor of the 4th degree, I don't know. There is no one here to explain that. But based on that, and going into a nuclear power plant, and at least from the public reports, I assume that this you are a dangerous person. So even though this is a misdemeanor of the 4th degree, I'm going to set a bond that will keep you in jail until I have further information.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Is there any way, please, I'm like begging you to, like, let me out. There's something that's going on with my body and my system that I'm not sure of. Nobody knows. I need to get home to my doctor so we can get this figured out. I mean, I didn't even know I was in Perry County or even in the nuclear plant until later on that evening.
Michael, if that is a reason, if there is a mental health issue here, which apparently you're telling me there is, that is all the more reason for me to keep you confined until such time as we're able to have you evaluated. And now listen to me. I'm going to keep you there because I'm sick and damn tired of people coming in here and saying I have mental health issues. Then we release them out, and what happens? They end up going and shooting people. That's what happens. That's a problem with this whole damn system now. Everybody has a mental health issue. And until we can get help to, we can get that evaluated and do it the proper way, you are going to sit there until that happens. I don't care if this is a misdemeanor of the 4th degree. As far as I'm concerned, you put this entire county and everybody in a panic. And I'm not going to let you out because you say you have mental health issues. You say that, something's going wrong with you. Well, that's what we're going to find out. So you're going to sit there until I'm able to do that. No, you are a danger to yourself. You are a danger to others. I find that to be true, and I am setting a bond until such time as we can determine that. So bond here is set at 100,000 cash or surety. If you are out, you are to be placed on GPS monitoring. You're not to drive a motor vehicle.
What?
Yeah, that's what. That's just what I said. And that's the way it is.
Your Honor,
No, I don't have any other explanation, so we're gonna do that. I am ordering an immediate mental health evaluation forthwith. Then when you come back, we'll look at that and see where we go. Okay. What is this for him? Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Pretty good, huh? You can't make this stuff up.